There you go. Got him. There he is right there, guys. Y'all see that? There he is. Yeah, Mark. Well, this is a ultralight pole, man. Oh, he chewed my bait in half. Dadgummit you. What's up, guys? Hey, man, it's me and my buddy Mark out here, and man, Mark has got this piece of property out here that is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all see this lake right here behind us? Last year, Mark got out here hunting and killed, man, it was a stud of a deer for right here. And tell us about it. Mark, it only had one eye, and he's actually got the deer mounted with one eye. But
we had bought the property, I guess, 2 years ago, and the first buck I got pictures of in December was this one-eyed buck. You could tell him, you know, he didn't have that eye on that side. And anyway, we watched him all through the rest of that winter and spring, and watched him all through velvet all that year, and came up, and he was still on the property during muzzle loading and bow season, and we hadn't seen him for a while, and he's usually up on the north end of the property. And the day before gun season opened, I got up, wasn't even planning on hunting, and I looked at my camera, and he had moved up on the south end of the property, whichever way it was. But anyway, so I thought, well, it won't hurt. I'll go sit there. I got 2 pictures of him there. Hadn't had him there before. And the only deer I saw that morning, he came out about 7:45, and I shot him with my crossbow at about 20 yards. But the kind of funny thing was, my grandson, he told me, he said, Pop, he said, I'm surprised you killed that deer. I said, why is that? He said, because he's probably keeping an eye out for you all season. So anyway, your grandkids are kind of harder on you than your buddies sometimes. Yeah. But it was pretty cool. That's the only time I can ever say that I knew for sure that a deer I'd seen the year before, I was able to kill him the next season.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And man, as you can see, we've been up here this weekend and bush hogging, and man, there were a few trails since Mark's bought this property that if he didn't get a handle on and get a bush hog put on them, he was fixing to lose them. And so he called, and of course I run up here because I love hanging out with him, and we got them bush hogged, and man, we got some stands that we've got fixed up, and of course we throwing bombs in some trying to kill wasp and everything else. And there's a little tip for you. It's the time of year right now that you need to be heading out and taking wasp spray and making sure if you don't have windows in your stand, there may be a buzzard in there. Man, buzzards are nasty. They'll get in there and puke all over everything and raise their offspring. So we got out here today. I was hoping to catch a bunch of great big brim. I caught one good brim, as you saw. And man, we caught a bunch of bass. Little old bass is fun. Mark got 2 grandkids, and they absolutely love it. And we were just talking about he needs to get him a wooden swing set up in the shade on the hill over here, or a picnic table, and he can bring this thing right here from the house and set them boys loose and let them have a great time.
I'm ready. That's where they learn.
That's where they learn right there.
Give them a little space, and they'll mess up, but that's all right.
That's right. Well, fellas, deer season's drawing near, and I still got them old brim in my mind. I'm still thinking about them. So I tell y'all what, I am so tickled that you guys chose to watch this, and y'all keep your lines tight, keep your powder dry. It's about that time, brother.
It's ready. Just got to cool off.
Is them your fishing shoes?
Man, ain't nothing worse than having a bad leg.
Yeah, it is. Having a bad leg and getting wet. I hope I caught that on camera. What's up, guys? Hey, man, I want to show y'all something. Look, back to his design. Man, I got them in my little merch store. If you'll go down below, you can see it. And man, that's just a reminder to me that I need to be living for what Christ built me for, back to his original design. So, man, if you want one, they're out there. Go pick them up. Thanks.